Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make hot chocolate galaxy. This unique method ensures a visually stunning and delicious beverage every time. First, gather your ingredients: 2 cups of whole milk, 2 tablespoons of unsweetened cocoa powder, and 3 tablespoons of granulated sugar. Also, prepare small bowls with a few drops of blue, purple, and pink food coloring. Having everything ready makes the process smooth and enjoyable. Now, let's create the perfect hot chocolate base. Pour 2 cups of whole milk into a small saucepan over medium heat. Add 2 tablespoons of unsweetened cocoa powder and 3 tablespoons of granulated sugar. Whisk continuously until the cocoa and sugar are fully dissolved and the mixture is smooth. Heat until it is hot and steaming, but do not let it come to a boil. This ensures a rich, creamy texture. This is where the magic happens to create your galaxy effect. Carefully pour your hot chocolate into a clear mug. Now, using separate toothpicks, dip them into your prepared blue, purple, and pink food colorings. Gently touch the toothpick to the surface of the hot chocolate, allowing small drops of color to spread. Repeat with each color, then use a clean toothpick to swirl the colors together just once or twice for a beautiful cosmic pattern. To complete your galaxy hot chocolate, add a generous dollop of whipped cream on top. For an extra touch of sparkle, sprinkle some edible glitter or star-shaped sprinkles over the whipped cream. This truly enhances the cosmic theme. Remember to check the description below for a link to those fantastic leak-proof meal prep containers, as well as other great deals. Enjoy your stunning and delicious homemade galaxy hot chocolate.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.